Hi everyone, the idiom of the day is, a long shot. Let's understand the meaning of this idiom. This idiom comes from sports, like football, for example when a player is trying to shoot from a long distance, and it means something unlikely to happen, with very little chance of success. For example, getting a senior position in the corporation one day is a long shot, but if you don't try, you'll never find out if it's possible. Now let's look at the example sentences. Number 1, the deal was a long shot, but Alex has little to lose. Number 2, Cristiano Ronaldo tried a long shot on goal. Number 3, it's a long shot, but someone might recognize him from the photo and be able to tell us where he lives. Number 4, it is a bit of a long shot to go for the win. Number 5, maybe the palace idea is a bit of a long shot. Thanks for watching. If you like this video then like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel.